Dear friends, today's topic is about Windows 10 keyboard tips and tricks. Let us see in detail. Windows 10 has lot of little tricks and shortcuts that can help you achieve more. Here are just a few of them. Smile and the world smiles with you. Okay. Now emojis are not just for your phone anymore. The new emoji keyboard in Windows 10 lets you express yourself like never before. Okay. In order to use it, how to use emojis in Windows 10. Okay. This is a technique. You have to type Windows logo key plus dot, the period. The emoji keyboard will appear. Let me have a demo. See here, this is the Word document. Just a minute. So these are some words. Now I want to bring the emojis to my keyboard. So in order to do that, what I have to do is I have to press Windows logo key plus dot key. It will bring the emojis. Okay. Nice. Then you see Windows key plus dot key. Okay, so this is the process how to use emojis. Okay, now you can select the emoji the mouse or keep typing to search through the available emojis for one you like. Okay, now let us see few common Windows keyboard shortcuts. Okay. Now let us see. If you type Windows logo key plus R, it will run the open command. Opens the run command. Okay. Windows key plus R key. Windows key plus R key. Okay. It will open the run command. Okay. Now Windows logo key plus S will opens the search. Windows key plus S key will opens the search. Windows key plus E, it will open the file explorer. Windows key plus E will open the file explorer. Now Now Windows logo key plus tab to switch to task view. Selected windows will return with focus. So let me check it. Windows key plus tab key. Windows key then tab key. Okay. Switches to task view. Now Windows logo key plus up arrow. Moves up through the sequence of minimize windows, maximize for the focused window. Windows key plus up arrow. Windows key plus up arrow. Okay. Now Windows key plus down arrow. Similarly, down arrow. This is up arrow. Okay. Now Windows key plus M minimizes all windows. Windows key plus M minimizes all the windows. Now Windows logo key plus D hides or unhides the desktop. Windows key plus D. Again, if you press, it will come back. Now, Windows key plus I key opens the setting. Windows key plus I key, it will open the setting. Windows key plus I key, it will open the settings of the system. Okay. Now, let us see few common application shortcuts. So, in order to do that, I will use split screen. That is, when this document is there open, if you press Windows key plus right arrow, this page will go to the right side. Whereas, see here, this is the Word document. If I press Windows key plus left side, it will move the document to the left. So that two documents will be placed left and right, side by side, equally. So this is what we call it as split screen. Okay, now let us see how to use this keystroke. Control plus X. Okay, then simultaneously we will use Control plus X and Control plus P. Okay. Now you see, hope you all are fine. So I am selecting it, then Control plus X. It is cut off. Now if you press Control plus P, it will paste it. It has come, Control plus V. Now Control plus C is copy. Here I am just copying it. Select it and Control plus C. Press Control plus C. It will copy. Now if you want to paste, you can paste it down. Control plus V. Okay. Now Control plus A means select all. Control plus A. It has selected all the document. So after pressing Control plus A, you can either Control plus C, make a copy, then Control plus V. So that means you can copy and paste after selecting all. Now F1 for help. Let me type it. F1. So this is the help button. Okay. Now Control plus N for new document. So Control plus N. This will go for new document. Okay. That is the new document. Now Control plus P for print. Suppose I want to give the print, you need to press Control plus P. See here. It will go to the printer. Printer you can select any printer. And if you click print, it will print. Once if it is connected to the printer. Then Control plus Z for undo. Suppose I have Control plus X I have. Okay. So Control plus X means cut. Unfortunately. Okay. But I want to undo it again. So you can do after cutting off, you can do Control plus Z. That means it will come back to its original position. That is undo. Now Alt plus F4 will close the program. Just wait. Alt plus F4 will close the program. 1 minute. So Alt plus F4 will close the program. I am just doing it. That's all. Okay. So Alt plus F4, I have closed the program. So these are the important few Windows 10 shortcuts. Windows 10 keyboard tips and tricks. This is from Microsoft. I have taken it from support.microsoft.com. Right. Thank you friends. Hope I have shared few tips and tricks of Windows 10 keyboard with you. The latest one. Thank you friends.